If you are someone who's not happy with their current self or with how they are, how they dress, how they walk, how they talk, and they want to rebrand themselves or they want to be a better version of themselves, then you have stumbled on the right video, because in this one, I'm going to talk about few things that can help you rebrand yourself and become a whole new person. Hi there, this is Shreyashi, and in this video, I'm going to talk about 4 things that you can do if you want to rebrand yourself, or if you want people to perceive you in a different way, or if you're bored and tired of, being understood like someone that you don't want to be. लोग तुम्हें ऐसा perceive कर रहे हैं जैसे कि तुम नहीं होना चाहते हो. तुम अपने आप को एक higher self में देखते हो, तुम अपने आप को एक अलग image में देखना चाहते हो, पर जो लोग हैं वो तुम्हें वो पुराने अवतार में ही देख रहे हैं एंड पुराने अवतार के हिसाब से ही ट्रीट कर रहे हैं, एंड एज अ कॉन्सिक्वेंस तुम्हारी लाइफ की जो भी चीज हो रही है वो पुराने सेल्फ के हिसाब से हो रही है, बट यू आर sick and tired of it and you want to change that. The first thing that you need to do is you need to create an image of your ideal self. You have to make an image of the person that you want to be. Like तुम्हारा एक ideal self होगा ना, हो सकता है तुमने किसी सेलिब्रिटी को देखा हो, किसी फ्रेंड को भी देखा हो, किसी इन्फ्लुएंसर को देखा हो, जिसके जैसे तुम बनना चाहते हो, लाइक जिसके जैसे कपड़े तुम पहनना चाहते हो, जिसके जैसे बातें तुम करना चाहते हो, जिसके जैसा काम तुम करना चाहते हो. तुम्हारे अंदर एक आइडियल सेल्फ की कुछ एक हल्की फुल्की इमेज होगी. सो पुट दैट डाउन ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर. राइट एवरी डिटेल ऑफ दैट आइडियल सेल्फ. वो कैसे ड्रेसअप करता है, कैसे बोलता है, कैसे हंसता है, कैसे कपड़े पहनता है एंड क्या काम करता है. एंड वंस यू हैव दैट इमेज, यू नीड टू स्टार्ट वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट, बिकॉज हमारा गोल है कि हम करेंट सेल्फ से ये आइडियल सेल्फ तक पहुंच पाए. सो नाउ टू रीच देयर यू हैव टू बिल्ड द ब्रिज. सो टू बिल्ड द ब्रिज, I have divided it into 4 parts. The first thing that you need to do is you need to work on your physical appearance. ये मुझे भी बहुत टाइम लगा रियलाइज करने में कि हमारा जो फिजिकल अपीयरेंस है ना, वो बहुत ज्यादा मैटर करता है. And I'm not talking only about looks. I'm also talking about how we dress, how we style our outfits, how we accessorize. ये सारी चीजें मैटर करती हैं. So you need to start working on your physical self. अभी इसके लिए क्या करना है? Firstly, you need to stay fit. You need to start working out. You need to be in good shape, because I'm sure जो तुम्हारा ideal self होगा वो unfit तो नहीं होगा, right? So that is a given that you have to stay fit to, that is the first step in reaching any goal. When you're fit and your body is toned, outfits look good on you. And when you're working on your physical appearance, you need to look good. So you have to start working out. Then the second thing is you have to start wearing good clothes. अभी by good I do not mean expensive. Good clothes पहनने के लिए you have to research. You have to do your own research कि तुम्हारी body type क्या है, तुम्हारी body type पे किस टाइप के कपड़े अच्छे लगेंगे. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो blindly follow करते हैं लोगों को, and फिर जो वो copy करके पहनते हैं ना, वो उनकी body पे सूट नहीं होता. Every body is different and you have to understand what looks good on you. अगर तुमको कॉपी ही करना है, then find people who are similar looking like you or have a similar body type, and then try to copy their fit if you want to. So take inspiration from people, take inspiration from people online. बहुत सारे fashion influencers हैं to give you all kinds of inspirations. So follow them if you want. Otherwise do your own research कि किस टाइप का बॉडी शेप है एंड क्या पहनने से अच्छा लगेगा. You can also do trial and error, like कुछ टाइप के कपड़े पहनो, then see कि वो सूट कर रहा है कि नहीं, whether you're getting compliments or whether it makes you feel good. That is more important, whether it makes you feel good. And if it doesn't make you feel good, then change it, or if it makes you feel good, then continue it. So basically जो तुम्हारा आइडियल सेल्फ है वो कैसा ड्रेसअप करता है, एक इमेज जो तुमने बनाई होगी, ट्राई टू मैच दैट. ठीक है. सो स्टार्ट वेयरिंग गुड क्लोथ्स. आफ्टर दैट स्टार्ट एक्सेसराइजिंग. Accessorizing also makes you look very classy, so it's important to learn to accessorize. Again, it's a skill and you can learn it online. Then बाकी चीजें like hair, makeup, clothes, shoes, what kind of shoes you wear with what kind of clothes, you need to figure out. Now once you've worked on your physical self, the second thing that you need to work on is your mental self. जो तुम्हारा इमेज है खुद का, उसको भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा. सो यू हैव टू पिक्चराइज योर सेल्फ एज दैट पर्सन. जो तुम्हारा आइडियल सेल्फ है, वो जो काम करता है, तो तुम्हारा ऐसा माइंडसेट हो जाना चाहिए कि तुम वही करते हो एंड दैट इज द बेस्ट फॉर यू एंड दैट इज who you are right now. So mentally you have to prepare yourself to be that person. Also you need to start dressing up like your ideal self. एक बार तुमने अपने clothes figure out कर लिए, सब कुछ figure out कर लिया, accessories and everything, then you need to start dressing up like that person. Because जब तुम वैसे अवतार में रहोगे ना, then it'll be easier for your mind also to accept you as that person. Because if you are in your PJs all day, your hair is all messed up all day and you're not taking care of yourself, तो तुम जब अपने आप को मिरर में देखोगे ना, तो तुम्हारा माइंड भी खुद को वैसा ही लेने लग जाएगा, एज यू नो, बहुत लाइटली लेने लग जाएगा, एंड योर माइंड विल नॉट बी एबल टू पिक्चराइज यू एज दैट पर्सन। अपने आप को जैसे तुम डेली देखते हो, वो भी बहुत इम्पैक्ट करता है यहाँ पे। So you need to look good, not only for others, but for yourself. You have to look like your ideal self. घर में भी when you are, you know, sitting idle or, you know, working from home, or if you are a work from home person, or if you're a housewife, then also you need to wear good clothes. You can't be in your night suit all day. However comfortable that is, तुम नहीं रह सकते, because अगर तुम उसी तरह से रहोगे तो तुम्हारी लाइफ वैसी ही रहेगी। इफ यू वॉन्ट टू, यू नो, टेक दैट शिफ्ट, टेक दैट लीप, देन यू नीड टू ट्रांसफॉर्म योर सेल्फ, you need to dress up even at home. You need to look good all the time so that your mind can register it and your mind can also realize कि हाँ, अब मैं ये person हो गया हूँ, मैं ये person अब नहीं हूँ। The third thing that you need to do is you need to surround yourself with people who help you become that person. अभी जो तुम्हारा ideal self है, वो जो काम करता है as a like career और hobby, और जो तुम्हारा aspirational outlook है life को लेके, वो इंसान जो करता है, उसके आसपास कैसे लोग होते होंगे, imagine that and try to find those people. ऑनलाइन ढूंढ सकते हो, बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, मीटअप्स होते रहते हैं, यू कैन मीट दोज काइंड ऑफ पीपल, यू कैन मेक फ्रेंड्स विद दोज काइंड ऑफ पीपल, बिकॉज वो लोग ऐसे इंसान के आसपास रहते हैं जो कि वो काम करता है। सो इफ यू सराउंड योरसेल्फ विद दोज काइंड ऑफ पीपल, gradually you will be able to become that person that you want to become. Surround yourself with people who will not make fun of you when you dress up in that particular way, because हो सकता है जो तुम्हारा करंट सराउंडिंग है उसमें अगर तुम बहुत अच्छे से ड्रेस्ड अप रहते हो सकता है कि वो तुम्हारा मजाक उड़ाए या वो बोले कि अरे इतना ज्यादा ड्रेस्ड अप क्यों। बट अगर तुम वैसे फ्रेंड सर्कल में रहोगे या वैसे लोगों से सराउंड करोगे खुद को, उनके लिए वो चीज नॉर्मल होगी एंड दे विल नॉट पुल यू डाउन टू देयर लेवल, दे विल बी ओके विथ यू बीइंग दैट पर्सन। I hope I'm making sense. So gradually when you're able to be that person and surround yourself with that kind of people also who help you be that person, then you will gradually move towards becoming that person. Now the fourth thing that you need to do is you need to learn. You need to learn all the things that your higher self is capable of doing. For example, your higher self, just hypothetically, your higher self is a successful content creator. Then you have to have all the skills that a successful content creator has. So in your current self, you need to acquire all those skills so that it's easier for you to visualize yourself as that person. Because when you have the necessary skills, you have the necessary physical appearance, you have the necessary mindset, and you have the people who surround you, then there is nothing stopping you from becoming that person, because you have everything that that person has. So you have basically bridged the gap between the two of you, between your current self and your future self. So if you want to rebrand yourself, you should do these 4 things, and that will really help you. You need to work on your physical appearance, you need to change your mindset and think of yourself as that person. You need to change your surroundings and have those people around you who would be around that person. Finally, you need to learn the necessary skills that that person has, that your future self has. So that was all that I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you took away something from it. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please make sure to hit a like on this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so yet. And I will see you again very, very soon in my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.